Hi, how are you today? Today I'm gonna teach you cough etiquette and how to wash your hands properly. Coughing and sneezing can spread the germs that cause illness. So today I will let you know cough etiquette. Ideally, use a tissue or a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze, and then wash your hands. But if you don't have a tissue, make sure you use your sleeve to cover your mouth. The best way to protect yourself from germs is to wash your hands. First, wet your hands under running water. Apply soap on your hands. Scrub your palms together. Rub back on each hand with opposite palm. Rub between fingers. Scrub fingertips in opposite palms to wash under nails. Hold your thumb and rub it around. Wash your hands well under running water. Dry your hands well with a towel. Now, my hands are clean. Everyone, please remember, first, wash your hands using soap. Second, cover your mouth and nose with your sleeve when you cough or sneeze. Please remember these two things and let's stay healthy and happy with me. Bye!